Hello everyone, Johnny Allen, Supercar Kid here, back again with another video. And today is just kind of like a miscellaneous kind of day. We're doing some stuff on the Datsun, some stuff on the 350, all just kind of mismatched, you know, just kind of doing our thing. I'm going to try to finish up the headlight build today, and also we have this cool little thing right here, pardon the mess of my entire house, but look at this, supposedly real, carbon fiber steering wheel, going in the 350 today. It's going to look sick, and then the wooden one is going to be going in the Datsun, so that'll look awesome. There's a hub adapter kit that's on the way from like some freaking foreign country, so I don't know when the hell it's going to get here, but when it gets here, it gets here. So while we're waiting for that, I'm going to install this one. So that's the first thing I'm doing today. Then after that, we're going to see where the day takes us. Oh, there's Cliff. Alright, so to give you guys a little comparison, yeah, dude, gonna be sick. Thank you very much. Alright, so I'm gonna remove this. We're gonna swap this horn button onto that one so the Z doesn't need to move. And just take this off real quick. Alright, well that brings back horrible past memories. Gotta take this thing off and then swap the wheels, just put it back on real quick, real simple, you know. Damn, boys, there we go. That thing is nice looking, dude. Wow, that thing's sick. It matches like the whole black and everything so much better, like, and it's actual carbon. Well, most of it's carbon. Well, some of it's carbon. What you see is carbon. It's just not made of like solid carbon fiber. It's actually like steel under there, or iron, and then it's wrapped in carbon and then clear coated pretty much, and that's aluminum here. So at least that part's real. Damn, out with the old and with the new, dude. It's a whole new generation. It's crazy. My steering wheel is like the one thing on my car I interface with absolutely every day. And here I go changing it. It's like putting on a new pair of shoes.
Literally the same wheel.
It is the same wheel. Shape-wise, thickness, all that stuff. Exact same wheel. It just looks different. And then that one's going in. The Datsun. So, cool.
Right hand drive. I don't like it. I don't know what I'm doing. Hold on. Oh, I went from second to fifth, I'm pretty sure. Wait, yep. I don't know what I'm doing. I can hardly do it right hand. Or, wait.
With your right hand sitting in the left side.
With my right hand driving left hand drive.
Yeah. Alright, let's do Datsun things now. Let's mock her up, see how she looks on here. Oh, shit! Nice. There you go. That'll look good. That'll look really good. Alright, well, Hunter's gonna be vacuuming, and why are we going out the interior? I'm gonna be inside for a little while. Working on the headlights. I got them in a box upstairs. I just really gotta put them together. I gotta repaint one thing, but I gotta just basically put it back together and wire everything up. Alright. So, back out and give us a look. Well, so, this was a new discovery today. More
Be careful what you breathe down there.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So yeah, floor pans, whole thing. No patches, nothing like that. It's gotta be the whole thing for sure. That's fun. That's fun. But oh well, I mean, I guess it was in the plans anyway to get new floor pans at some point, so we have a guy who can help us do that, so it sucks, but it's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world at all. So I guess Hunter's gonna keep on punching that out, and
I mean, I'm probably just gonna leave it. There's no point in punching it out because the whole thing needs replaced. I mean, the back part
Alright, boys, so aside from that little rust hole earlier, this is the one piece I gotta paint for the headlight. So I had to, there was this weird like bubbling here, so I had to sand it down a bunch, and I'm gonna repaint over that in some gloss black. It's gonna look pretty decent. But yeah, the holes are all down there still. Hunter right now, he is testing out some truck bed liner and stuff like that in the rear. Alright, boys, so I'm down here in the basement. We're here watching some Doug videos on the projector screen, but I put together the other side, the other headlight, so it was just screws. I just screwed everything back, got the housing back on. This housing is boogered up, like so bad, but the good news is it's all in the clear coat, so I can just sand all this shit off, all of that shit, and then it'll be alright. So that's what I'm probably gonna do. Oh my god, I dropped you. Anyway, I hope I'm not holding it upside down now. I don't actually know, but whatever. I'm probably gonna do the sanding tomorrow, but I'm gonna finish painting the other one, and then yeah, that'll be good. Yeah, cool. Alright. So I'll see you guys when the other one's done, I guess. Alright, so we are gonna real quick signing the dashboard. Hunter just signed his name. He also put this one of one, built, not bought, Datsun 280Z, boy. So he's gonna, here you go, you can hold that. I'm gonna try to manage to put my name in and not mess it up. So let's try. I'm just putting Johnny A, honestly. Just Johnny A.
Also write your name above it in like... Oh, and for anybody that's just like, why are you ruining the original dashboard? It's got cracks all up at the top. So
yeah, guys, it's okay.
it's all cracked to hell, so it doesn't really matter.
It's all good.
Also, we kind of screwed the middle up.
Yeah, it's our car. Fuck y'all. Fuck y'all. Shit. Want to hate on us?
Also, you like my new steering wheel?
Oh, I like that new steering wheel, boy. Boy, that looks good, boy. It will look good when
quick detach.
When the freaking hub, that hub is shipping from like, I don't even know what country. It's not the US, I can tell you that for damn sure. The tracking number starts with letters, so that's how you know it's like far away. It's far away. I think it might be, it might be Slovakia. It might be coming out of Slovakia, not gonna lie. Bam, 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 and then Johnny D going right over here.
And then Ben somewhere.
And Ben also over here.
And then if Mike helps us, Mike
also over there. Y'all will meet Mike eventually.
Also, bald eagles.
Oh yeah, we got labels for our switches. So, I'm gonna turn this light off. Oh, now y'all can't see. Okay, so this is gonna be our fuel pump because we will be doing a fuel cell actually, because our gas tank is fucking massive. So, and it's also probably riddled with rust. So, we gotta get rid of that. Essentially, to have a rear diffuser, so we have to do a fuel cell all the way in the back where the spare tire is going. So that's happening in the future. So that first switch is going to be for the fuel pump. This switch will be our headlights. This switch over here is, I can't even read that.
That's interior lights.
The interior lights. So what the interior lights are going to be is I'm getting these aluminum LED light strip channels. And they're going to go underneath our dash, under here, maybe even inside of here, maybe even behind our switchboard. Maybe probably also some things in the gauges. We're gonna do a lot of shit with the interior lights, and it's all gonna be on this little switch right here. So that's gonna be awesome to have that. This is our hazards, pretty basic, and this guy is the bald eagles. Now what the bald eagles are, now normally that means power, but in this case it's a Datsun with the original motor, so power is not really going to be an option. So what that's going to be is the exhaust cutouts that we're going to install. So as you guys have seen, this car is extremely freaking loud, like really, really loud. We can't really have it being that loud all the time. My neighbors probably already hate us. This is the loudest car that my family has ever owned in my life. So yeah, and so that means that it's louder than my car. My car's already pretty freaking obnoxious. Yo boys, I don't know where I left off in the last part of this video, but it is now like after Thanksgiving. I even got a haircut and I'm finishing up these headlights. So I just got this stuff. It's this this stuff. This Boutique rubber seal tape that I bought on eBay, which I laid some of it inside of the seam here. There was already some from the factory still left in there, but I just added a little bit more. Hopefully it's enough to make a good seal. So I'm putting this in the oven, cooking it, and gonna seal it on up. And then I'm also painting the other one at the same time. Well, I'm painting the inside part, this like tray piece that you guys can't see at all. I'm painting that right now. Yo guys, so I'm in my dining room. I kind of call it an audible with the whole headlight build thing. So I tried out something new. Check this out. So this is kind of inspired by B is for Build. His headlights on his 240 were just sectioned off, like to where it was just like the side parts like that, and they were a bit wider. But I decided to do like an X pattern, and I tested it out in the car. I think it actually looks really fucking sick. I just used some electrical tape, and then I made sure that the ends wouldn't like come up. So I should have done this before I put these halos on, but I should wrap it around and then use another stronger kind of tape to seal it, or use a glue or something like that. But I didn't do that. So so I managed hold on a second. Oh gosh, it's already stuck there. Okay, so I use a little bit of Gorilla Tape to just keep the edges down. There is also some super glue underneath there that should dry up and harden up and get real sticky, icky. And that should be good. That should hold. Hopefully it does hold. If it doesn't hold, I'll have to open it up again and then redo all this shit. Oh well. Also, quick tip for running this wire. This whole area gets really hot. Really hot. Over 200 degrees hot. So you want to keep this guy kind of as far away from this as you can. So all of this shit is going to be like right in front of that. So that's why I'm worried about this tape. Honestly, I'm kind of expecting it to peel off one day. We're going to find out. Until then, we're going to go with the flow and see what happens. But yeah, as far as this wire, actually this wire is running on the wrong side. I'm running it on this side. I should be running through this side because it's on that side of the thing. But oh well, I'm gonna fix all this. I just heard the oven beep, so I'm gonna rerun this wire, put this in the oven, and yeah, this is coming together pretty well actually. And then tomorrow I'm gonna be finally sanding them and doing all that stuff, which will be a whole separate. Honestly, I might not even make it. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. So, yeah, we'll figure it out. But okay, I'll see you guys in the next clip, whatever that is. Boys, I think I did something. I know y'all can't see it, but let me get a little bit closer. Ooh, Papa. It like reflects inside of the lens on the inside. I forget what that thing is called, but it reflects inside of there. Dude, guys, what the fuck? Oh my god, that's insane. Like, I don't know why I like that so much, how it like reflects on the inside, but that is just so cool. That is so freaking cool. This lens is dirty as hell, but damn, that's so cool. Damn. Oh shit, boy, look at it. I'm fucking excited. Oh shit. Alright, the other headlight's currently in the oven. It's baking. I'm gonna finish that joint up, and then I just gotta basically do my power wiring, which is like not much at all. And that's it. That's the end of the headlight build shit. Well, I'm gonna re-clear this, but I'm not gonna show you guys that because that's so fucking boring and it sucks. So I'm actually not gonna show you guys me clearing out these headlight lenses. It's not that. It's watch Chris Fix's video. Watch anybody else's video. I'm gonna be using the Mother's headlight restoration kit because it is actually really freaking good. It's like kind of the most expensive one, but it's really good, and you have a lot of the like material, the like juice, I don't know what the hell it's called, but you get a lot of that, so you can do multiple headlights and things like that. So yeah, that's what's going on tomorrow. I think I'm gonna cut this right here, and we're gonna cut to whatever the clip is when these are actually done and installed on the car. So cut to that right about. All right, boys, it's the next day. Check them out. So the lenses are mostly restored. This one still needs some more polishing, but damn, you guys can barely even see it, but oh man, dude, that is crazy looking. Let's turn our brightness down. Maybe that'll help you guys see it a little bit better. Oh, there we go. That's pretty visible. Damn, dude. Oh, that's sick. That is sick. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez, dude. That is, wow. Let's get that. Oh, that's flash. Let's not do flash. Let's do a fade. I think when I go fade, then it goes to full brightness, and then I can't really see it anymore. Go down the spectrum, you know, get that orange, get that yellow, you know, a little bit more yellow, a little bit more yellow. I can't even tell the difference between these. I mean, I guess I can, like, a little bit, but barely. It's baby blue, dude. A little bit more baby blue. Oh, man. Up into that green. My favorite one, I think the crowd favorite's purple. I've gotten so many reactions to the purple light so far on my current headlights. Yeah, guys, so pretty soon the eyelid is gonna go on here. That's gonna be that. That is gonna be that. So I'm probably not gonna show the video of me installing it. You can find plenty of videos on how to install them, but I will be installing them next week. I might film a little bit of that here and there if we're doing stuff here, like me, Hunter, and everyone else. If we're doing stuff, I mentioned a surprise before. It's one little special extra thing that's going along with these on the car that's going to be like insane looking. So you guys will love it. Y'all will see it. I think that will be the end of this headlight build video of this that took like 2 weeks to film. Like this whole video has been a long process. But yeah, guys, that's it for me. Peace out. Till the next stream, boys. Till the next stream.